Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Our today's topic is the earliest humans. So, without wasting time, let's start. In this chapter, we will learn about the prehistoric man and his lifestyle. The journey of early man from an ape-like creature to a full man was involved some hundreds of thousands of years ago. It was a period longer than the period of modern man's existence on their planet. These are not written records available to justify or prove what happened or how they lived. Archaeologists have collected all the information from remains that have been dug by them in form of fossils like bones, tools, weapons, paintings, pottery, etc. These remains are enough to prove their existence. Stone Age. Stone Age was the time period in the prehistory during which man widely used stones to make weapons and tools. This had happened about a million years ago when man started using tools made of stone. Stone Age is divided into three phases based on tools used. Paleolithic Age means Old Stone Age. Mesolithic Age means Middle Stone Age. Neolithic Age means New Stone Age. Paleolithic Age means Old Stone Age. The word Paleolithic is divided from the Greek word paleo means old and lithios means stone. The word thereby means old stone. Paleolithic Age was considered the longest of all in Stone Age. It can be divided into three periods: Lower Old Stone Age, Middle Old Stone Age, and Upper Old Stone Age. This was the age when man used stones tools which were rough and unfinished. So, the Paleolithic Age humans were food gathered and hunters. Early Old Stone Age. During the Lower Paleolithic Age, the climate was very cold and most part of the earth were covered with ice. So, it was also known as Ice Age. The oldest tools used by humans were simple stone, choppers and hand axes. The stone tools of this period were made by chipping the stone to form a sharp edge to cut or chip off trees and animals. Middle Old Stone Age. The stone tools of this period were of the folk tradition. Some home implements such as needles have been found which indicate that fern and animal skin were crudely sewn to cover the body. Upper Old Stone Age. During the West period of the Upper Paleolithic Age, the climate changed very often. The life of Paleolithic man. The prehistoric man lived in subcontinent as early as 2 million years ago. People of this period used to stay in caves and rock shelters. They were nomads who moved from one place to another place for food, tools and shelter. We simply use a term hunter-gatherer for them. These people did not know how to produce food. These people survived by hunting wild animals and birds, fishing, and gathering food material such as nuts, seeds, roots, fruits, berries, and leaves. Hence, we also call them hunter-gatherer. To protect themselves from adverse climate conditions, they used barks of leaves from trees or skin of animals to cover their body. The prehistoric men hunted and gathered food from plants and animals to survive. They shifted from one place to any other. In the due course, they also learned to use animal skin, stones, plant leaves, etc. for their own favor. The discovery of fire was another great event in the history of man. Paleolithic man lived in small groups. Group living enabled them to hunt large animals. Shifting of hunter-gatherers. Hunter-gatherers gradually developed the sense. They realized to stay in group wherever they move. They shifted from one place to other place for food, shelter, and to protect themselves from natural calamities like food. Hunter-gatherers who hunted animals had to follow their movement in order to get their food. So they would have to wander for animals, following them wherever they went. As they live in jungle, they would have realized that fruits were seasonal, and to get those seasonal fruit, they might have shifted from one place to other place in different season in search of different fruits, bearing trees and plants. The any other reason could be simply the need of water. In search of water, which is a basic need of man, they may have changed their place. Tools. The tools made of stone of the old Stone Age have been found in the valleys of Sun and the Zalem River. All the tools are made from hard rock. The tools have the form of knife, choppers, axe head, and digging instrument. The tools of the stone used by early man in Old Stone Age were crude, rough, and unpolished. Core tools. They were made by chipping away protection of piece of rocks till they got the desired shape. They were pear-shaped, that is, they had no handles. They were used as a handle axe for purpose of cutting trees, digging the earth, and breaking the bones. Flake tools. Flake tools were made by the flake method. A large flake was first cut off from a rock and then shaped into a tool. Such tools were used as choppers for removing skin from dead animals and cutting meat into small pieces. Blade tools. Blade tools were longer and gradually evolved into spears and arrowhead. Discovery of fire. Archaeologists have found ash around sites where Paleolithic man stayed. Man noticed that hard stone, when struck with any other stone, produced spark which light a fire. When it touched dry leaves, it burst into flame. Now man was able to ignite fire whenever he needed it. They might have used fire for various purposes, including cooking meat, to protect themselves from cold and from animals. Fire brought light into dark caves. Rock and cave paintings. Many caves of the Stone Age have come to light with paintings and their walls and ceilings. These paintings describe hunting, food gathering, fishing, and many other human activities.